Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Many teams hear Scrum and Kanban together and think they are the same. But while both help teams work better, they manage work in very different ways. In this video, let's understand Scrum versus Kanban in the simplest way possible. Let's start with Scrum. Scrum is a lightweight framework used to develop complex products. It works in short, fixed time box cycles called sprints, usually 1 to 4 weeks long. During a sprint, the team plans the work, builds it, reviews the result with stakeholders, and then reflects on how to improve. This repeating loop creates a clear rhythm and helps teams learn and adapt regularly. Now let's look at Kanban. Kanban is a visual workflow management method. Instead of working in fixed sprints, work moves continuously through defined stages. The main focus of Kanban is to visualize work, limit how much work is in progress, and improve the flow of delivery. There is no reset at the end of a time period. Work simply keeps moving forward. The first major difference is how time is handled. Scrum works in fixed time box sprints. Once a sprint starts, the team focuses on completing the planned work within that time box. Kanban has no fixed sprint at all. New work is taken only when the team has capacity, allowing work to flow continuously. The second difference is planning style. In Scrum, the team plans a batch of work during sprint planning and commits to a clear sprint goal. That goal guides decision throughout the sprint. In Kanban, there is no batch planning for a time box. Instead, work is pulled one item at a time when space becomes available, making it a pull-based system. The third difference is roles and events. Scrum has clearly defined accountabilities: product owners, Scrum masters, and developers. It also includes fixed events such as sprint planning, the daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Kanban does not require specific roles or mandatory ceremonies. Teams use flexible feedback meetings like flow reviews or replenishment discussions only when they are useful. The fourth difference is how boards and work in progress are handled. Scrum teams often use a board that represents only the current sprint, and that board is usually reset for the next sprint. Kanban uses one continuous board that reflects all ongoing work. A key practice in Kanban is explicit work in progress limits. By limiting how many items can be worked on at once, teams reduce multitasking and finish work faster. This idea is often summarized as stop starting and start finishing, which we discussed in our previous video. The fifth difference is delivery and matrix. Scrum typically reviews and delivers value at the end of each sprint, creating a predictable delivery rhythm. Common Scrum metrics include velocity and burndown charts. Kanban allows daily delivery whenever an item is completed. Its metrics focus on flow such as lead time, cycle time, and throughput. So when should you use each? Use Scrum when your team benefits from structure, clear roles, regular reviews, and planned iterations. This is common in product development teams building new features. Use Kanban when work arrives continuously, priorities change often, and flexibility matters more than fixed time boxes, such as in support or service teams. To summarize, Scrum gives you structure through sprints, roles, and events. Kanban gives you flexibility through pull, flow, and work in progress limits. Choose Scrum when you need structured iteration and choose Kanban when you need continuous flow. Both can help teams deliver value effectively. Thank you for watching. I believe you can now differentiate Scrum from Kanban. In the next video, we'll understand one more framework of Agile, so stay tuned.